Fucking hell. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on my budget MX-5 again. Sticking with the budget theme, I got a Nardi fake steering wheel off eBay. This cost about 80 quid. And a Boss to fit it with from Driftworks. It's a HKB Boss, which fits Nardi, Momo, Sparco and OMP steering wheels. That was 40 quid. So all in all, this cost about 120, 130. So we're going to get this installed and see how it compares to the standard, because my standard wheel, where it's been sat for so long, is very mouldy and it's got a bit squidgy, so it's not very nice to hold when you're driving. So I think this will be a good upgrade, even though it's not a real one and it was quite cheap. I think it'll still be a good upgrade over the standard. So let's go ahead, get this fitted, see how it feels. Right, so my car, even though it's not a Unos, it is fitted with a Unos steering wheel. As you can see, it's falling apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off first. Behind each of the arms of the steering wheel, there's a 10mm bolt. So we're going to start by removing them. Luckily, there's no airbag in this. So, we remove this bolt. It's a bit fiddly. You can only get a little bit of the span around it, which is a little bit annoying. This bolt looks like a crackhead's tooth. Bolt number one out. My car has been retrofitted with parking sensors. I don't know why, it's the world's smallest car. I don't know why there'd need parking sensors. So I don't know, we might have to relocate them because of the new Boss.
No.
But we'll see.
I don't think so.
See how it goes. Yeah, but it might be covered, won't it?
So you got to take.
Ah. Careful, it might be.
There's one.
There's an airbag. There's an airbag.
There's one down here as well.
Oh, there's a third bolt. Okay. Sorry, didn't prepare for that one. Am I going to get electrocuted by doing this?
No, just unplug it.
Are you sure?
You can get electrocuted. The car's off, isn't it? Now it's off. Get that off. Alright, then you want to get a DAC on there. Looks cool already, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Yeah, that was sick.
Is it on undo?
Yeah.
Is that the right size?
Yeah. Don't lose the nut.
Do I have, Rob?
Right, so you'll notice you have this grim plastic thing which has the hairs of 1,000 owners in it. They need to line up with these holes, right? And that's what turns off the indicators.
But there is a mark on the Boss that says this must be at the top.
And where is that? The top is there.
Yeah.
So that's the top of the wheel, so...
Yeah.
So I've dakalaka-lacquered the centre bolt on so it's fixed to the spline, keeping the arrow to the top. So hopefully Olly's wheel alignment's not going to be completely trash, but it probably will be. And then there is a gap behind here, so I've just sort of tried to cover that with this sort of rubber trim. Yeah, we'll leave that through here, and I'm going to bolt this to it, I guess. I don't quite know what this is for.
I think it's if you go for a different wheel, because this Boss works with.
Oh, it does fit in there.
Oh, is that to be with the horn? The horn goes in there, maybe.
Let's have a look at the horn. Nah, we're too fat for that, I think.
Yeah, but the horn doesn't even go through the wheel. That the horn goes in.
Yeah.
I think you have to take the retainer clips out the back of the horn to get it going, maybe.
That plugs into there, I think.
Or does it need that adapter? Plug in, the horn just goes off. Honk! Yeah, I know, yeah.
It's only get it out if you ever wanted to get it out. Well, should we test the horn?
Fucking hell.
Well, the horn works.
The horn works. Don't push it again.
Mate, this is so shit. Look at it.
The horn's not working now.
No, because it has to be grounded on the wheel.
Please don't push
I don't want to scratch the wheel, though, that's the problem.
it. Mm. Do you have to get one in, then push the other one in, get that in, then push the third one in? No, it's not a slidey one. No. That's it, isn't it?
Some marks on it already. Look at this. The horn works. There you go. I'll put the screws in, shall I?
What screws?
Or the rest of the wheel.
Oh yeah. Tighten the other ones up.
Signed by Nardi. But like...
It's signed by Nardi.
Rayberries.
Rayberries.
Definitely like a bit of... Try the horn.
No, that's scary.
Try the horn.
That works. Well, nice. It's the right size. I like the size.
Yeah,
of
I
it.
actually think any more this year would actually be too close.
Yeah, it'd be like that, wouldn't it?
Go.
Because you think if it was this one, like there, that'd be way too close. You'd be sat like that driving.
Yeah.
But that gives it a nice little...
And that is a good wheel, well done.
I could even like put the seat back a little bit more now, if I wanted to. And also a lot of people complain about aftermarket steering wheels covering the dials. But I'm 5'9", 5'10", and I can still see the
5'8".
dials. 5'6",
5'8".
5'6".
It's 5'8".
I'm 5'10".
It's 5'8".
So there we have it. First mod done on my budget build project. leave some comments down below of what you'd like to see us do with this. Next up, we've probably got exhaust, coilovers, wheels, those sorts of things. If there's anything else you can think of that you want to see, then make sure you leave a comment. Like this video, subscribe to us for all future videos coming up on this, and also Rob's Mark II. There's going to be a massive series coming up on that, so stay tuned.